Hiya guys, it's a 35 degree today and it's hot already, so I think I'll be lounging around in this. Becky's coming up, Mrs. B, so they're going to do a couple of nights camp out up here. It's going to be a nice weekend. And this is hot. I think it's going to be in the record books today. Could reach 37 for England. That is hot, hot, hot. So Becky just washing the potatoes down that we harvested this morning. So we got potatoes and chicken for dinner. So Becky's going into the fridge. She's going to get me a nice cold beer. How's that beer, Bex, in that fridge? Cold?
Yeah, really cold.
You going to join me?
After a few sips.
A few sips?
Yeah, that'll probably do me.
Oh.
Cheers. What is it? 6 and 1 then? You having the other 6?
Yeah, Shaw's. Got a few potatoes and all. Good. Chicken drummers tonight.
Really nice.
A nice drop of butter on them homegrown new potatoes.
Lovely jubbly.
This sort of meal I like. No tools, just your hands. I'll tell you what, that's nice. Them potatoes are really creamy, aren't they, out of the ground?
Yeah, they're lovely.
Straight out of the ground this morning, straight on the plate.
Rewarding.
Straight out of the supermarket, straight on the fire. Oh, the spices on that. Oh. You don't want no more, do you? Oh, that's nice, guys. Welcome back, guys. I'm camping in a storm, which is the first one for a long time. I've erected the tarp, so let's hopefully keep the water off the fire. But it's been so hot the last 7 or 8 days, and finally it's give way to this big storm. So it's going to be exciting. But the sky's just gone all dark. It's gone really still, and I think we're in for a thunderstorm of all thunderstorms, because I don't think we've ever had it this hot. So I'm expecting a nice loud cracks and a nice display of lightning. Let's see what happens. So like I said, that's gone up, so that's going to keep a nice bit of rain off. Getting quite excited, but it's so hot. But I don't know if you can hear it, it's starting. Right, let's keep our eye on it. So I've got all my gear inside. Just got a few more bits to put inside, because I reckon the heavens are going to open. We do need some rain. So the birds have all gone quiet. It's gone really, really still. So this might be a storm of all storms, I think. So I've got everything in. All my tools are in, bedding's in, the hammock. Tops up. And everything's put away in the Arctic. So I'm quite excited. I do like a change in the weather, especially when there's a good storm. The power of Mother Nature is so impressive. So it's batting down the hatches, I think. And hopefully it'll clear the air, because it's so humid. I'm just sweating thinking. I'm hoping for a bit of lightning, but I haven't seen any yet, so we'll stand out here together, and if it does pour down I can just dive back into the camp. So I do like a storm, it's amazing. You can hear it rumbling. I don't know if you can hear it, but I love the build up of the atmosphere. It's awesome. So first spots of rain now. Hopefully there's a nice deluge. There it comes. I might have to dive back into the under shelter in the camp soon. The camcorder will be flooded out. So I'm waiting for the heavens to open. Mrs. Bushwacker's turned up. You frightened, Ange?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, here it comes. First rain for what?
We need it, didn't we?
14 days, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's got to be. Beautiful.
Cooled it down nice, isn't it?
Yeah. Batten down the hatches, as they say. Oh, the rain, so refreshing. So here comes the rain. Glad I put the tarp up. Perfect under here. The fire's just ticking over nicely and not getting a drop of rain on it. Oh, look at that. I love a good storm. I bet the plants are loving this rainwater. Oh. Yeah, you all want to be out in this now with no shelter. Awesome. Woo! Oh, lightning. Buckets of water. Oh, power of Mother Nature. Long awaited, long awaited. It's definitely changing. Like monsoon. Tropical storm, look at that. That's about 7 litres. It's a bit of bushwacker here. Woo! I don't think I'll be camping tonight. Unbelievable. Fire pit is bone dry, perfect. No, lovely noise guys, rain hitting the tarp. Dived in the Arctic. That's what you need this weather, a waterproof camcorder. And stand outside in it. Oh, how pleasant it is. So cool. So I hope you appreciated the storm, because I certainly did. I hope I captured it well. Good build up and then, oh, awesome. But it's not the same as actually being in it, but you come close. When it's weather like this, you need some good gear, and I know I can rely on this great Arctic tent. It's not going to leak on me. You want to be out in conditions like this with gear that's going to fail. Oh, I do love a storm. So that's the end of the storm. It's calmed down nicely. So what we got there, Mrs. B?
Some tomato sauce. We're going to put these tortillas in and the veg. And heat it up on the fire, a bit of cheese on top. Ooh. Easy meal today.
So we go over to our minimal crop, as I say. Sweet corns are pushing through, but they're nowhere near as high as they should be. Look at that, Mrs. B. How'd you like that then?
Yeah.
Straight in the dinner.
Bit of that.
What's that? Tomato?
It's like a pasta sauce then.
Cool, yeah.
Bit of this, bit of that, bit of that. Looks like a pizza.
Starving. And cheese over the top, is it?
Yep.
Cool. Slice and dice. So we're having dinner at Mrs. B's. Good effort.
Do you like it, Bex? Yeah, really nice.
So Mrs. B's done her camp today. We've got a few candles around. She's loving it.